Electricity is essential to modern life, but the power we generate can't be used as is. We need to convert and adjust voltage and current, and handle both alternating current, AC, and direct current, DC. That's why specialized power conversion technology matters. At Sansha Electric Manufacturing, SanRex, we've been a leader in power conversion for decades. We contribute to society with power supplies and power semiconductors that keep systems running reliably. Founded in 1933, we started by developing power equipment. Over the years, we moved into power semiconductors and built products such as uninterruptible power supplies, or UPS, using our own semiconductor devices. You can even know our solar inverters on Tokyo's Rainbow Bridge. We went public in 1997. In 2015, we helped develop silicon carbide, or SiC, MOSFET power modules, semiconductors that offer higher efficiency and better high-temperature performance than conventional silicon. We've also built power supplies using our own SiC MOSFETs. We develop and deliver power supplies that meet international compliance standards. In electroplating power supplies, we've held a leading market share in Japan for many years. Our products support markets around the world, from railways and expressways to automotive surface treatment, smartphones, and factory production lines. They also serve home appliances, entertainment, medical devices, aerospace, and AI systems. Looking ahead, we're accelerating expansion in the energy and environmental fields. We're developing products that help build a low-carbon society and enable advanced energy solutions. As one of the few manufacturers with expertise in both power supplies and power semiconductors, we combine technology to deliver high-quality, energy-saving products, backed by strong after-sales support. At Sansha Electric Manufacturing, SanRex, we remain committed to creating unique, optimized solutions that contribute to an innovative and sustainable future, and that truly excite people. Advancing society through power electronics and creativity. Sansha Electric Manufacturing, SanRex.